Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in sunny, beautiful Sarasota, Florida. I'm your Corvette buddy Lyle, here to talk to you about new, interesting, exciting Corvette stuff. I've got a couple of videos coming up in the next couple of weeks that you're going to find interesting. We have a new, improved throttle module actuator, similar to the Red Light Bandit, but it does a lot more stuff, and we're going to do a video on that next week. I am going to do a little bit on another video on what's called mechanical sympathy, and I'm going to use the famous race car driver Jim Clark and some vintage footage and some of the facts about how his racing career exemplified how mechanical sympathy can make you a better driver and help you take better care of your car. But today I've just got a simple promotional thing I want to talk to you about. Before we get there though, if you like what we do on this channel and you aren't already subscribed or push the notification bell to be made aware of when we make new products or new videos, please do so. Every time you guys do that, if you tell your friends about it, it helps me and allows me to do more for you guys. Thanks. Okay guys, well, finally, I have had so many requests for this particular product. It isn't anything that's going to make your car go faster. It isn't going to make anything that makes your car cooler. It doesn't even make your car safer, faster, or better. However, it does make you look better. We have finally gotten our run of C&S Corvettes official merchandise T-shirts. They are pre-shrunk. They are 50-50 blend. They're the same shirts we wear here at the shop every day. Obviously, I wear this for the videos, but every other day I'm wearing a black C&S Corvettes T-shirt. They're available small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL. So plenty of sizes available. And when you buy one of these shirts, you also get one of our nifty new C&S Corvettes decals. Now, I had these designed where it's a matte finish. It isn't shiny. And when you peel it out of here, it is just the shape of the logo on a clear backing. So you can put it on your toolbox. You can put it on your rear window, which is where I put mine on my Z06. But you get one of these when you buy a shirt. These shirts are available on our website. They get a sticker with it. The shirt and sticker package is going to cost you $29. And I think there's like a 30 or 40 cent fee for shipping insurance. So that's it. Every one of those you buy helps us grow our business, grow our YouTube channel, and helps get our name out there to people who might not already be familiar with us. Now I will say there is a small $2 markup on the 2XLs, and I think there's a $3 markup on the 3XLs. That's what they cost us extra to make those sizes, and we just pass that along. We don't mark that up to you. So again, I certainly hope you guys, if you've been waiting for t-shirts, now's the time. We've made about 300 of them at the first thing. They're made locally, so if these sell quickly, I can order more and have more very shortly. But I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and trust me, nothing would make me happier than to show up to Carlisle or any other big Corvette show and see people wearing more of our shirts than we've seen in the past. So you can find the link in the description below, so you can go to our website, just scroll down a little further, right there, yep, and you can find, there'll be a link. That's how you get to it. Select your size, select your quantity. For every t-shirt you buy, you get a sticker, and they'll start shipping out as soon as Monday of next week. Again, thank you in advance for supporting our channel. Thank you for buying our t-shirts, which supports our company and our livelihood as well. Couldn't do it without you, and I look forward to making some more interesting videos for you next week. Back to Corvette fun stuff. Take care.